heading to Elbe tomorrow, so let's go ahead and get the truck loaded up. Let's see if the truck will start. Oh. Apparently, I never covered the mower back up. Oh well. But let's see if the truck will want to start with a broken ignition. Ay. Great. Well, let's see how long it takes to charge this time. I also got to fix that, which I have spare bulbs somewhere. Hurry up and charge. I want to get you on the trailer so I can go break you again. There she goes. There she goes. Now I just gotta sit here for 10 minutes just to air up the bags, be able to put the truck on the trailer. So this ramp likes to come out nice and easy. You just pull the pin and slide her out and slap her on. This one, on the other hand, it's a little bent, and you know, you just gotta reef on her. And after about 5 minutes of messing around with it, you'll get her off. But that's not the hardest part. The other part is getting it out, because the ramp is still a little wobbly. The previous owner put a tractor that was way too heavy on here and bent the ramp. And after about 3 minutes of me trying to get it out, finally have it out. You can see it's a little bowed still. It was a lot worse. But now we should be able to get the truck on there and go have some fun. So whenever the truck decides to actually warm up and defrost the windshield, I'll be able to load it, or just grab an old rag, wipe her down a little bit, and send it. Well, apparently if you don't latch the trailer back down, it likes to go off to outer space. Jesus, it's been one of those weeks. It's been one of those weeks. All right, well, let's try this again. See if I can get it on the trailer without sending it to the moon. Oh yeah. Come on, come on. And just to note, for anybody who thought, wait a second. Well, that's supposed to stop the trailer from going down, but apparently it sunk. Whatever. But for anybody who thought that it was hard to get them out, it's even better getting the ramp back in. See, it'll slide in until it doesn't. I'm a little ways away. So you just kind of gotta kick it in there a little bit. Get this guy dropped down so when it does finally decide to hit the sweet spot. And then the old shakeroo to get the pin down. Make sure this doesn't come off and kill somebody. Another thing, anybody that's in the market for straps to tie down their rig or quads or really anything, these are the straps that I got. They're called shock straps. So they basically have a bungee piece here, and you can get them at different load ratings. Single rubberized ones for quads and stuff, and these are, I believe, rated for 4,800 pounds a piece, 5,000 pounds a piece. If I remember, I will put a link down in the description for their website. But yeah, they're called shock straps, and I've enjoyed them. You can get axle strap pieces for them. You can get them in different lengths, different styles. I've liked them so far. Well, that's enough for tonight. Let's go ahead and get into the morning and meet up with everybody. stopped on the side of the road, right down the road from elbe, because our buddy's lower ball joint snapped in half. But I believe someone's on the way with a new one.
You're loosening it?
Dude, it's...
I feel like the thing ain't budging at all.
Well, fixing that ball joint took a lot longer than anybody thought. Took us about 5 hours because it was completely seized and we didn't have the proper tools, so we were constantly waiting on someone to bring them or for us to go get something else. We had to use oxyacetylene, Sawzall, all sorts of things, ball joint press. They couldn't even get it out of there. It was so marred up. But next weekend we're going to be going to elbe. There's apparently a lot of people from Havoc Off-Road coming over to wheel in elbe, so that should be a good time. So sorry for no wheeling in this video, but I'll catch you guys next weekend. Y'all have a good one.